Hello everyone, this is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you how I did this look. I was inspired by a look that I saw on Jules from the show Euphoria, and she also had a blue look. It was slightly different. I kind of adapted it to my eyes, so yeah, keep watching. Okay, so I started by priming my eyes with this LA Girl concealer. Now I'm setting that concealer with this shade from the 35V Morphe palette. Okay, so with an angled shading brush, I'm going to carve out that outer V with this dark blue shade. Now I'm using an angled brow brush so I can sharpen those lines. I'm using a fluffy shader brush and I'm going to add that lighter blue on the outer corner of my eye on top of that darker blue. I went in with that angled brow brush and I wanted to make that line sharper, so this look was a lot about tweaking and perfecting it as I went. Now I'm going in with this electric blue and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. This blue is from a palette from a Colombian brand called Dolce. With a fluffy shader brush, I'm going to apply that blue to the outer corner of my eye and I'm going to blend it a little bit with that dark blue. With a flat shader brush, I'm taking the lightest blue and I'm going to apply it so that it meets with the darkest blue. Taking a fluffy shader brush and I'm applying that blue to make it look more pigmented. I'm applying that pressed glitter with a fluffy shader brush over the lightest blue on my eyelid. I took a little bit of black eyeshadow to sharpen that outer V with a pencil brush. Okay, so afterwards I did the rest of my makeup, but I'm not adding this because then this video would be way too long. I used a little bit of concealer by the end, so I could perfect those edges and have them be as sharp as possible. For my lips, I used a matte nude lipstick and then I put lip gloss on top of that. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!